In this video, I'm going to show you two methods you can use to predict football corners, and it's very accurate. Please watch the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. First of all, we will be using SofaScore, and that's the first method to predict our football corners. When you open your SofaScore app, most of you know this already. Go to select the team you want to predict the corners. So I selected this team. Then you go to matches. Under matches, you see something like head-to-head streaks. Under the head-to-head streaks, you then come to where they said corners. Under 10.5 corners, they played 8 out of 10, and the 8 out of 10 is under 10.5 corners for Man City versus Burnley or against Burnley. Let me select different team and go to matches. Under matches, let's see head-to-head streaks. Here there is no corners, there is cards, but this video is not about card. Atletico Madrid matches. Yeah, you can see the first method. That's how you can predict football corners with SofaScore app. The next one is predicting the football corners. It's the betting site itself. Okay, so let me use SportyBet as an example. Okay, whilst we are waiting, okay, it has come. Let me quickly log into my SportyBet account. I'm inside my SportyBet account, and I'm going to show you how you can predict the games. Corners with this SportyBet. Let's select Atletico versus Elche. Then you go to stars. Under stars, you select head-to-head new. Here, SportyBet itself predicted some options for we the predictors, or we the football bettors, or whatever names you will be giving to us. And you can see SportyBet is saying that Elche versus Atletico Madrid, they will play 10.19 corners, and Atletico Madrid is going to play 6.48 corners, whilst Elche will play 3.71 corners. That's one method you can use to predict corners on the betting site itself, or in the betting site itself. Let's select PSG against Nantes. Then you come to stars. The start, you select head-to-head new. Here the prediction is 9.59 corners, so it's over 8.5, or you can go over, you can select over 7.5 corners. Anything more than or less than 9.5, you can select it. Let me do different example again. Let's select Galatasaray Istanbul. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please make sure you subscribe. New, and the new, they are going to play, according to this, they will play 13.5 corners, and you can select anything below 13.5. You can select over 12.5 corners, over 11.5 corners, over 10.5 corners, anything below that is accepted or is accurate, is good to go according to here. So these are the two methods you can use to predict corners. Guys, make sure you subscribe, you like the video and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.